Hello, everyone. So today I am sharing my family room slash living room. I don't think I've ever shared this on YouTube before. I definitely want to highlight some things in my family room that I've never shared. And then I'll also share the stores as well. My family room is a two-story family room. It includes a couple of different sitting areas, as you can see. One of the things I want to highlight is my sofa table or console table. It is paired with the coffee table that I picked up from American Signature, and the same exact coffee table was at Z Gallery. The measurements of the coffee table is 54 inches wide, 30 inches in depth, and it is 18 inches high. It is mango wood on a metal frame, and that color is considered white. They also have it in a dark, I guess, espresso color as well. But I absolutely love it. As I said before, I had been watching it for a while at Z Gallery, but I picked it up from American Signature Furniture. One thing I like about the coffee table is how it is divided into squares, and it really makes it easy for styling. This is the Odessa console table. It also comes in espresso as well. I really like the Odessa console table. As you can see, it is also divided up into squares or rectangles, so it makes it great for styling. It is two tiers there, so you can style it at the top or you can style it at the bottom. The centerpiece that you see there and the decorative balls there, I picked that up from At Home. But again, you could style it at the top, the bottom, and the circular mirror came from a store here in Atlanta. As I stated before, you should always have an additional seating area in your living room outside of the sofa. And this is one of my areas. These are two chairs that I picked up from Home Goods, and I paired it with the lamp behind that little tray and ottoman. I picked that up from Ross, and I spray painted the base in gold. I also paired it with an ottoman. The top comes off the ottoman, and that's where I kind of store additional blanket in there. So if I'm sitting on the sofa, I also included some thank you cards. So if someone is sitting and they're just interested in looking at some cards or just looking at something, they can always kind of read some thank you cards that I received. It's a great way to personalize your living spaces. The next area is my fireplace area and mantle. I picked up the decor, the little decoration, Christmas holiday decoration from Walmart, and I threw in some white poinsettias in the ginger jar up top. But the wall as well as the fireplace is black. It was painted black. I had the painters paint that black as well. I picked up the tall vases from Z Gallery when they had their special. So this is my living room slash family room. Remember to subscribe and hit the like button. Feel free to ask any questions.